Liquid sunshine. A brief history of rum. Rum, a drink with a rich history. It evokes images of pirates and the Caribbean. But rum's story begins much earlier. Sugarcane, the source of rum, originated in New Guinea. From there, it traveled across Asia. Eventually, it reached the Caribbean. European colonists in the Caribbean needed a way to use excess sugarcane. They discovered that fermented sugarcane juice could be distilled into a potent spirit. Rum was born. The drink quickly gained popularity. It was traded throughout the world. Today, rum is enjoyed in countless ways, from simple cocktails to complex sipping spirits. From cane to crystal, the journey begins. Our journey starts with sugarcane. This tall, sturdy grass thrives in tropical climates. It's the foundation of rum production. Sugarcane grows best in warm temperatures and ample sunlight. The Caribbean provides the perfect environment. Harvesting sugarcane is labor-intensive. Workers cut the cane stalks by hand. The cut stalks are then gathered and transported to the mill. The clock is ticking. Once harvested, sugarcane must be processed quickly. Delay can lead to spoilage and reduce sugar content. The sweet squeeze. Extracting the essence. At the mill, the sugarcane is crushed. Large rollers extract a sweet, grassy liquid called sugarcane juice. This juice is the base for making rum. In some cases, the juice is boiled down into a thick syrup called molasses. Molasses, with its rich, concentrated flavor, is another common base for rum production. Whether using juice or molasses, the goal is the same: to extract as much fermentable sugar as possible. This sugar will be the food source for the yeast in the next stage of rum production. The extracted juice or molasses is then clarified and filtered. This removes impurities and prepares it for fermentation. Yeast at work. Transforming sugar into spirit. Now, the magic of fermentation begins. Yeast is added to the sugarcane juice or molasses. Yeast are tiny organisms with a big job. Yeast consumes the sugar. As it eats, it produces alcohol and carbon dioxide. This process transforms the sweet juice into a mildly alcoholic beverage known as wash. Different types of yeast create different flavor profiles in the wash. Some produce fruity notes, while others contribute earthy or spicy undertones. The fermentation process can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks. The exact duration and conditions influence the final character of the rum. The alchemy of distillation. From wash to rum. The fermented wash, while alcoholic, is still a far cry from rum. Distillation is the next crucial step. This process concentrates the alcohol and refines the flavor. Distillation involves heating the wash in a still. Alcohol, with its lower boiling point, evaporates first. The vapor is then cooled and condensed back into a liquid. There are two main types of stills used in rum production: pot stills and column stills. Pot stills produce heavier, more flavorful rums. Column stills create lighter, more refined spirits. The choice of still and the distillation technique significantly impact the final aroma, taste, and character of the rum. The patience of time. Aging and maturation. After distillation, the newly formed rum is clear and fiery. It lacks the smoothness and complexity of aged rum. Aging is the final, crucial step. The rum is transferred into oak barrels. These barrels were often previously used to age other spirits, like bourbon or sherry, imparting additional flavors. As the rum rests in the barrels, it interacts with the wood. This interaction mellows the spirit, adding color, aroma, and complexity. The aging process can last for years, even decades. The climate, the type of barrel, and the duration of aging all contribute to the final character of the rum. Bottled perfection. From barrel to glass. Finally, the aged rum is ready for bottling. It's carefully blended to ensure consistency and achieve the desired flavor profile. Some rums are bottled at higher proof, retaining their intensity. Others are diluted with water to achieve a smoother, more approachable character. From clear white rum to dark aged expressions, the world of rum offers a diverse range of flavors and styles. Each sip tells a story of sugarcane, craftsmanship, and the passage of time. Whether enjoyed neat, on the rocks, or in a favorite cocktail, rum continues to captivate palates worldwide. Cheers to this versatile and flavorful spirit. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.